I'll second that motion. Okay, we are in court. We are here to make a decision on the floodplain permit 0444.
The appeal. The appeal
The appeal.
of EQT.
The appeal of what is your decision now?
My decision is their appeal will be denied.
And I so agree. Let me read our final decision. The EQT floodplain application filed on November 22nd, 2011 was approved the same day by Jared Evans in his capacity as the Doddridge County floodplain manager without a site visit. Therefore, Gerald Evans, as floodplain manager, rescinded the subject permit 0444 by letter dated April 18, 2012, citing that EQT's application and submissions were insufficient and not in compliance with the Doddridge County floodplain ordinance. On May 1st, 2012, EQT, by its counsel, appealed the floodplain manager's decision of the permit. On May 22nd, 2012, the Doddridge County Commission, sitting as the Floodplain Appeals Board, held a public hearing to take evidence and testimony from the parties, landowners, and citizens. EQT chose not to submit any additional evidence. During the evolution of this process, the subject floodplain permit 0444 has expired. Thus, the Floodplain Appeals Board finds that the appeal of EQT is hereby denied for insufficient evidence that is mandated by the Doddridge County floodplain ordinance. Nothing in this ruling permits EQT from filing a second application for a permit in the floodplain.